So let's go to the second conversation. You said the second one was AJW.
Yep.
And first of all, what I like to do is I know who AJW is, but a lot of times people watching, they don't know who AJW is, right? And I first learned about them and some of the parts and materials that they actually provide in databases and distribution. First of all, just tell people quickly who AJW is and why they do what they do.
So AJW is a $500 million a year company that does parts, buy, sell, components, exchanges, leases, and they have also an MRO business in Montreal, Canada. It's the former Air Canada Technique, and it's with that MRO business that we're partnering with. And within that MRO business, there's a new digital arm called Neo Next Gen, which has a wonderful digital transformation and digital incubation strategy. And to thank Monica Madra, who really brought us into the AJW network and is a partner with us in really building out, a digital first value prop, to that customer base.
Okay. So what is the business problem that you're engaging with them to look at to be able to help them solve?
Sure. So for track and trace from SkyThread for parts, right? The business problem, or just talk about business value, it's different for different actors. From a component repair standpoint, it's having a full history of data so that when a component repair station receives a part that just has a post-it note that says broken, right? We could reduce the forensics work that has to be done to troubleshoot what's actually broken with the part, to improve turnaround time, right? There are then for the airline, we talk about matching the right part to the right plane at the right time. So we're all familiar with the just-in-time supply chain and manufacturing, which is something this industry sometimes does well and sometimes does not. What we really haven't seen is a just-in-time supply chain for MRO, right? And for airlines, when we think about how much parts over storage, right, over supply there is, because
the cost involved.
And the cost involved, the maintenance costs, the HVAC costs, the forklift costs, reducing that, right, is going to save hundreds of millions of dollars a year, and also provide a little sustainability aside. But those are the big high-level ones, and we can go on for ages and ages.
So basically what you're telling me is that you're basically going to be putting in place for them an ability to be able to manage the parts, manage which parts they need, and be able to manage the cost and the sales and the needs and the demands.
It's about improving data. Improving data volume and sharing back and forth. Getting everyone to make better decisions, smarter decisions, empowering folks with information.
Perfect.